Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you thought this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. So there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is by a company called Selvim. This is the box it's going to come in, and essentially what it is a vacuum slash air blower. So if you are out there and you buy basically canned air to clean your keyboard, your car, your inner computer parts, etc. like that, this will solve your solution to where you're no longer spending several dollars on those, and instead you will have a rechargeable product. So once you open it up, you are going to get multiple parts and pieces. First off, you're going to get a nice little bag that the device will go in, and you can store all the parts. You are going to get a user manual that tells you how to operate it, but it's pretty straightforward, and we're going to go over those details right now. You are going to get a little cleaning brush, so you can brush any kind of harder debris out if you need. You will get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable to power up the device. Then you're going to get two head attachments. You're going to get this kind of longer one that was great for like in your car, get between the seats and all that kind of stuff. And then you get a one with a brush, which you can use to kind of get in there in between the joints. And then you're going to get the device itself, and here it is. So what makes this kind of unique? There's a lot of kind of like air brush or air canister kind of replacement items on the market, which this does, but it also acts as a mini vacuum. So it's very, very versatile. You can use it for your computer, your keyboards, random pet hair. But what I like about it is it's also really, really great for the car because you can see it's very portable, it's easy to handle, and then it has the ability to vacuum stuff up. So, you know, the part that's in your car, that to me at least is a pain to vacuum, is the area between the seats, and this fits perfectly. So what you do here is, this section right here is the vacuum. You simply just push this little adapter in, and so now you can reach into those hard to reach places. And then if you don't want to use that, you just take that off. Now, let's say you want to just use the air to blow away dust or on your keyboard or something like that. Hidden in this little compartment right here is another little mini piece. You pop that out, and now you have a section here where you can blow out the air and get all that kind of crud that gets trapped in places you don't want. And when you're not using it, you just fold it back up. Now I want to talk about the motor itself here. So it has two modes. It has a high-end mode, which is 69,000 RPMs, and then it has a low mode, which is 36,800 RPMs. It has a nice long battery life in here. So it has an 8,000 mAh battery, which is going to give you approximately 40 minutes depending on what settings you're using, high or low and that kind of stuff. And then if it's completely dead, plan about for 3 hours to fully charge it. There are three little lights right here, which will give you an idea of when it's charging. They will blink, and when all three are solid, it is fully charged. And then as you can see right there, that is where you plug it in for the USB Type-3 charging, and then you have the power button, which turns the device on. Give you size of this thing. It is 5.5 inches tall, and it's 2.25 inches wide. So like I said, it is nice and compact and small. Now the vacuum part, it's really easy to change out. You just simply unscrew it. And then on the bottom side here is a metal, stainless steel, and HEPA nano filter, so it really can collect all those dust and debris, and you can pop this off and clean it and make sure you get all the little parts and pieces, so that way it stays nice and clean. And then when you're done with that, you just slide it back in and then twist, and you are good to go. Now it is somewhat quiet, but you do hear, it does have, because of the vacuum sound, it does have some noise to it. So let's kind of turn it on. That is its loudest mode, and so it's going to suck here, and then it's blowing out the air out the bottom here. Then to change the mode, you just press the power button. So this is the highest it is. and then press it again and it turns off, and it is simple as that. So like I said, if you're looking for a nice mini handheld vacuum that can suck up air, basically grime nastiness that's in places that are hard to reach, this is probably a perfect solution for you, because it also acts as an air duster, so you can stop buying those canned air, be a little bit healthier on the environment, and just reuse this little guy over and over and over again. So that is basically the ins and outs of this. If there was something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, be sure to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button before you go. And always consider subscribing. I appreciate that very, very much. And that is it. So until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.